Beautiful babes, imagine having an extra set of eyes covering the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle. Today, I'm sharing my first impressions of the PRUVEEO 360° 4-channel dash cam, Channel Dash. And as a woman over 60 who is always on the go, I love the idea of having more coverage around my vehicle. This dash cam features 4 full HD 1080p cameras that record multiple angles simultaneously. What I've enjoyed most is not being limited to just a front-facing view, whether I'm running errands, traveling to a performance, or driving at night. Having multiple camera angles gives me more video documentation if I ever need it. The front 3 cameras have adjustable viewing angles, so I can customize the coverage around my vehicle. It also comes with a 128 GB memory card, which I really appreciate because I don't have to immediately purchase one separately. Another feature I like is the built-in GPS, which can document information such as speed, location, and route. The built-in Wi-Fi also makes it convenient to access compatible recordings from my smartphone and download or share footage. For nighttime driving, the dash cam features an f1, 8 cabin lens, and 4 infrared lights designed to help capture footage in lower light conditions. It also has loop recording, so older unlocked footage can be overwritten when the memory card becomes full, while important collision footage can be locked and protected from being automatically overwritten. There is also a parking monitoring option with time-lapse recording. Just keep in mind that continuous parking monitoring may require a separately sold ACC hardwire kit. What I've enjoyed most about the PRUVEEO dash cam is the combination of 360 degrees coverage, 4 cameras, adjustable angles, GPS, Wi-Fi, night vision features, and the included 128 GB memory card. For me, the biggest benefit is simple. More angles can mean more information. As a woman over 60 who drives, travels, and is constantly on the go, I appreciate having an extra set of eyes around my vehicle. So, beautiful babes, would you use a 360° 4-channel dash cam in your vehicle? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.